The first thing we're going to do is just grab this clear bowl, and we're going to grab the mirror and this quarter glasses. We're going to go ahead and grab our spray paint, whatever color we want to do it, and we're going to spray paint it. Then I'm going to go ahead and take the mirror and put some hot glue all the way around it, and then you're just going to go ahead and take your mirror and place it on top. Hold it into place a little bit like that, so make sure that it attach. After that, grab your little glass, and you're going to go ahead and put it on the side. Put some hot glue on top of it like that. Once you pour the glue in it like a little bit, let it dry for a little bit. Just leave it there and let it dry. Then go ahead, after you see that it's a little bit dry and thick, and put your stick like that. Then I just went ahead and push it down like that, and it holds it perfectly fine once I do that. Then go ahead and spray paint it. I took my ball, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my stick that I attached to it, and I'm gonna do one long, as you can see, and one short like that. So make sure to place it first, like do all of them, one long, one short, to make sure they all are level. I did it like this, but I suggest you to do it first, all of them, and then you attach them. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my glue and pour it on top of the stick, just like that. And then after you pour it, you let it dry a little bit, and then you do the same step, to touch it to make sure it stays in place. So then you're going to put another one long, and you're going to continue doing this. Put one small, one big, one small, one big into the whole thing. So make sure that you do it all the same length. In the small one, just put it next to each other, grab it by the same set, and then just place it right there to make sure it's the same length. Then go ahead and grab your hot glue and attach it to your ball. Then after that, you're gonna go ahead and flip it around, put some hot glue, and attach your mirrors on top, just like that. Then we're gonna grab these two lights, and we're going to attach it to the plate with hot glue. Just put some hot glue and attach it in place in here. I suggest you to get the one that you do with the remote control. And in here, for you to be able to switch the battery, you will have to take it apart and put it back. So if you don't want to do that, just don't do the lights. Then I took this glue stick that they have, hook that they have in Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out, and I'm gonna go ahead and break it in top. And then once I break it, I'm gonna put it, the part that I break that is not sticky, I'm gonna attach it to the stick, and then I'm gonna continue doing that to all the stick. Then I also use this super glue as well. If you don't want it, you want something more permanent, then I suggest you use a nail. Also, I put on each little cup, I put double-sided tape from the one that I show you. You're going to put it on each one and attach it to your wall. And guys, this is how everything turned out. It came out so beautiful. I hope you guys like it. And let's not forget to comment down below letting me know what you guys think. Let's not forget to share so more other people can see it and make it for their home as well. Once again, thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly. And let's not forget to follow so you can get notified every time I post a new video, which I do every week. Thank you for watching Special Creations by Nelly.